और घंटे के साथ ओ माँ
अरे नीचे दियाशन है।
Oh. Oh. Friends, how is everyone? This is Umesh welcoming you once more to Indian Everywhere. Today we are going to see an amazing cave which is 250 kilometers away from Riyadh. So to go inside the cave we need special instruments like helmet, lights and ladder. Friends, finally we reached to our destination. It took near about 3.5 hours to come here, and it is going to be very exciting and it looks very dangerous. So let's go inside the cave now. But before going that, we need to take our safety precautions. See, we have our helmet, our lights and everything.
जा हाथ में है।
Down with a ladder and we are going to go inside. The problem here what we are facing the most is due to the sand. Almost it's the route is slippery and most of the ways have been blocked, but still we will go inside as much as we can. एक मिनट रुको उधर एक मिनट मैं आता हूँ। अरे इधर भी अरे बाबा हाँ उधर आ रहा हूँ
अभी तो बैक करते से हमने नो नाम आशेन।
ओह माय गॉड
like that.
It's so dangerous, guys.
This is going.
Listen, listen.
देख के
Oh shit. मुझे वो लाइट दीजिए, लाइट इधर इधर।
देख समझ के देख के
हाँ?
इधर भी जाएगा रास्ता, लेकिन जो मेन रास्ता आया उससे वो देखना चाहिए।
मुझे भाई आप यहाँ ही रहिए, आप मत हिलिए यहाँ से।
चलिए।
Oh friends, we are going towards the cave and it is so dangerous. Oh shit. Wow. Wow. Oh shit.
डायरेक्ट नीचे दिया है।
Oh. Oh. It's really dangerous, man. Wow. तू इधर था। चलिए ऊपर चलिए। This place is very sandy. Oh my god. Ooh.
Careful, careful.
Oh. Wow.
So dangerous.
Yeah, it's very dangerous. Oh. Oh my god. Okay, take care. Oh. Friends, after spending near about an hour inside the cave, we are going up now because here it is very cold, but we got suffocated because the oxygen level is not that good here. So let's go upside. We have came out of the cave. This was one of the dangerous trip I have ever went. This was more dangerous than the hiking. The cave was deep, but we didn't went up to that extreme because we are only 3 people. If anything goes wrong, no one was there to help us out. But we enjoyed the most. I think the camera was not doing that justification to this place, but I hope you have enjoyed this. Until then, take care. Bye bye, guys.